Alright, we're about to do another LCD replacement on the Note 20. It didn't get the back screen in yet, so we're just going to go ahead and replace the LCD and we can put the back screen on later. Here's all my parts. Power screwdriver. We'll be back. Alright, so we just pulled out all the screws, and unfortunately my camera didn't come in, but my LCD screen did, so I'm going to go ahead and get this party started. This right here needs to, there we go. Okay. That's over here, like that. Alright, so that part's going to go there. We need to get this up here. Where's my little pick at? Pop all these connections. Magnet's a little stronger than I thought. Okay, now take a good look at how these go. I'll start kicking these off here. This is a fairly brand new battery I just got. Hopefully it doesn't give me much trouble. But we'll put some alcohol down here. See if we can free that bad boy up. Let's see if we can get out of there. Try not to damage the battery. It is not wanting to come up. Have to get that out of there. Okay. Okay. You see that free right there? You're going to need this piece. That piece is going to go right there, but we're going to have to put that up like this. Like that. Okay. And then, as you can see, we're going real slow. Try not to cut that battery. There we go, come on. Ah, yes. Hopefully I didn't mess that battery up. I don't think I did. Man, that stuff's sticky. Okay. Now, okay, so this part here. Okay, so this part goes like this. Like this. We'll replace it there. And then this part is going to be hard as hell to come out. Why is this? I know I just replaced this the other day. Why is that? Okay. Is that going to come up? What is this for? This piece was stuck like this. Perfect. Alright, so that goes there. This part goes, like so. Alright. Perfect. Everything's looking good so far. Oh, that's not sticking, that's not good. Why is that not sticking? Okay. Alright, so this will board gotta come out. fit back in that hole, that would be great. Okay, and that's gonna go like this. And we're gonna take, Izzy, can't jump up here right now, baby. You have to wait. Daddy's working. Daddy's working. All right, looks like my LCD screen works. That's great news. As soon as I put this all back together, I'll order the back screen for this, which is really easy just to snap on and off. Ordered one before and it looked like this. I just want the back cover, the cheap little back cover. I know exactly what I need. I love it when it snips back in place. All right, make sure we got everything we need, yeah? Everything looks good. I'm gonna snap that all back in. I think the pin. All right. There we go. There we go. Right. Izzy, give me a minute. I'm almost done. Almost done, baby. Give me a minute. Izzy, I know you already went outside, so. Oh, I'm so glad I get my Note20 back. I've been locked out of this account. All my passwords are on my notepad on here. I never once thought I would ever be out of the phone. But I got caught with my pants down, no phone, no way to access my information because it was all locked in on my notepad and I couldn't get back into Samsung. Because even though I was using the same right password, I was using a different email and they think I was trying to steal the information, so it prevented me from accessing it. So I couldn't even download my old phone on my new one, which was a pain in the ass. Having to reset every freaking password for all my banks and credit cards. All right, so don't forget this little piece that comes out of this part right here. So this part goes right there. Snap that bad boy in. There we go. Now the rest of this stuff should snap in together. Let's put these screws back in. This don't pop out on me. Trick of the trade. Where did you go, my lovely? Where did you go? I want to know, my lovely. I want to know. 3. Yep, there's the 3 right there. All right. Oh. Let's see if that will fit there. I don't know if it will. Try. All right. I think we're good. Well, I don't think it's fit, but we'll try it. They're a little smaller than they're supposed to be, but okay. That one don't fit, but it'll work. Okay. We are ready. All this does is just fit over like this. This goes on like that. And there you go. Let's see if it works. Make sure to plug in. Yes, it works. Yeah, baby. It's now charging. All this other stuff up. Yeah, baby. Another well done project. It's working. I love it. Whew. I was getting worried there for a minute. Didn't know what was going on. Look at there. How about that, huh? Everything works. Let's see if the camera works. It's only got 1%. Hopefully it's charging. Let's see if this camera works here. Camera. Software update. Let's do 5 a.m. Sweet. Hey, Brooke. As you can see, I put it back together. That's the same case. Gonna order a new case for the back, but it is working perfectly. Camera, everything. Another successful project complete. Thanks for watching, and got a whole bunch more coming. If you're into air guns, check out my YouTube channel at bigbopper@gmail.com if you're trying to purchase one of those that you've seen on my channel.